So I finally fucking did it. Signed back up for the gym, and here I am outside with my gear, my headphones, and I'm ready to turn up. Planet Fitness. I don't know too much about Planet Fitness. Never really got too many good reviews off it, but it's my home gym now, and we gonna get it in. I don't know how much recording I can do, so I'm gonna be sneaky at first. Keep it 100, but we in here. Man, weak as ever. Haters for the weak. I feel real weak. I hate being weak. I'm battling with myself. I'm shaking right now and shit, so time to go get some hydration, some food. I'm back though. So, day one down. Gotta admit, wasn't so bad. Got in, did a little bit of leg day. Tore me up, but I'm just glad to be able to get back in this motherfucker. So, looks like Planet Fitness is my new gym home. Welcome. Found my new gym mirror. Let's go and get out of here. All in a day's work. But did you die though? No, I actually got a pretty good work in today at Planet Fitness. I'm just glad to be able to get back in to the gym. It's time to turn it up, man. We got things to do. We got goals to pursue. Do you know what I mean? This is an all new fitness journey. I know how much work that I have ahead of me. I know I can do it. I've been there before. It's just gonna be putting in some work. You know what I mean? Even though I'm freshly showered and ready to go to the studio, put in some work on some video content. My son wants to play baseball. So next we play baseball. Welcome to Wiley's World. Let's go.